ਆਪ ਸਭ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਟਰੂ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਐਜ਼ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ ਡਨ ਟ੍ਰਿਗਨੋਮੈਟਰੀ, ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਡਨ ਓਨਲੀ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਕਨਸੈਪਟਸ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਡਨ ਕਿ ਦ ਸਾਈਡ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਟੂ ਐਂਗਲ, ਇਫ ਵੀ ਟਾਕ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਐਂਗਲ ਏ, ਤਾਂ ਸਾਈਡ opposite to angle A is perpendicular and adjacent side to angle A is base. We have done all this in our previous video. Now again I am telling you, if we see in this right angle triangle ABC, what is sine A? Hanji, what is sine A? We are talking about this angle A, opposite side to this angle A, opposite side. Which side is opposite? BC. Opposite side is perpendicular. So we have already done sine theta is, sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is opposite side to angle. Which is opposite side? Opposite side is BC. BC. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is opposite side to right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle and opposite side is AC. Then what is sine A? Sine A is BC upon AC. If we talk about cos A, cos A we know what is base over hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse. Then again we are talking about this angle A. Hanji, adjacent side to this angle A is called base. So this AB side is adjacent side, so this is base. AB over hypotenuse, I have already told you, AC. AB over AC. Now if we talk about tan A, what is tan A? Tan A is perpendicular over base. Then perpendicular we have done is BC, base is AB. Now again if we talk about angle C, if I say what is sine C? Now sine C meaning opposite side. We are again talking कि what is sine angle? Sine is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular over hypotenuse, sine. So now we are talking about this angle C. The which side is opposite to this angle? AB is opposite to sine angle. So here is AB. Now perpendicular is AB over hypotenuse is same AC. Okay. In same way, now cos C. What is cos C? Base over hypotenuse. What is base? Base is adjacent side to angle. Now we are talking about this angle C. Then adjacent side is BC. BC over hypotenuse is same AC. Now we talk about tan C. What is tan C? Tan C is perpendicular over base. Hanji, what is perpendicular now? Perpendicular again we are doing opposite side, that is AB, and base is adjacent side, that is BC. Is it clear to all of you? Now we were talking only about sine, cos, tan. Now if we say cosec angle is opposite of sine angle. Cosec angle is opposite of sine angle. Okay. And if we talk about sec angle is opposite of cos angle. Okay. The cosec is opposite of sine and sec is opposite of cos. If we are talking about A, then we will write here A. Both same. And here also A. And if we are talking about angle C, that is cosec C equals to 1 over sine C. So if we are talking about A angle, then we write here A. If we are talking about C, then C. Cosec A is opposite of sine A. And sec A, we are now talking about angle C. Sec C is opposite of cos C. Okay. And one thing to learn this relation is how we can learn these. C is opposite of S and S is opposite of C. When we are talking about cosec, don't be confused about cos or sine. C is opposite of S. The S they start on the sine. Now sec is opposite of C. C starts with cos. Now remaining angle is now we are talking about this tan. Tan is opposite of cot. Cot angle is opposite of tan angle. If we talk about cot A is opposite of tan A. And if we talk about cot C is opposite of tan C. Okay. ये तो बहुत ईजी है लर्न करना. कॉट इज ऑपोजिट ऑफ टैन. ओके. कॉट टी, it has t and tan also has t. Both has t. Okay. Both are reverse of each other. And these are also easy. C is opposite of S. S is opposite of C. Cosec is opposite of sine. Sec is opposite of cos. Cot is opposite of tan. Same way. Okay. Now we are talking about some question. If we have again same triangle ABC, these two sides are given. AB is 3 and BC is 4. Now we are given a triangle ABC in which AB equals to 3 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter. Okay. Then if we have to find a sine A, question is find sine A, cos A, tan A. And all trigonometric ratio angles others are cosec A, sec A, cot A. Hanji, how we will find? If we talk about sine A is this angle. For sine angle we need perpendicular over hypotenuse. Now we have perpendicular. These two sides we have and this side we not have. First we will find this third side. Okay. First we will find this third side. We have already done in previous classes Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Pythagoras theorem. What was Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem. What was? Square of hypotenuse is equal to square of base plus square of perpendicular. Okay. In this triangle, in triangle ABC, what is hypotenuse is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. Or we find square root in other side, cancelling square on this side, AB square plus BC square. Okay. So first of all, if we have to find any ratio, then we first have to find all the three sides. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we can find, if we have given two sides, we can find third one by using Pythagoras theorem. Then what is AB? AB is 3. What is BC is 4. 3 3s are 9 plus 16, 25 square root. 5 5s are 25. हाँ जी 5. Then what is AC is 5 centimeter. Okay, AC is 5 centimeter. Now if we write here, now we talk about sine A. Sine A. What is sine A? Sine A is this angle. Okay, the opposite side is BC. Okay, we talk about it is perpendicular over hypotenuse. What is perpendicular? Perpendicular is opposite side. Opposite side is BC over hypotenuse is AC. What is this? 4 by 5. Now cos A. What is cos A? Cos A is base over hypotenuse. What is base? Base is adjacent side, that is AB over AC. AB is 3, AC is 5 centimeter. Now tan A. Tan A base. What is perpendicular? Again 4, base is 3. Okay, now we were doing cosec is opposite of sine angle, that is 5 by 4. Sec is opposite of cos angle, that is 5 by 3. Cot is opposite of tan angle. Three by 4. Okay, this is enough for today. It is clear to all of you. Tomorrow we will do next topic. Same topic, trigonometry. Its table we will do. If we like our channel, like our video. If you like our video, press like button, share and subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thanks.